y is inversely proportional to x, given that when x is 12, y is 2. Find a formula for y in terms of x, y when x is equal to 6, and x when y is equal to 48. So A, y is proportional to 1 over x, because it's 1 over x because it's inversely proportional. So y is inversely proportional to 1 over x, or y is proportional to 1 over x, which means that y will be equal to k times 1 over x, although it's better to write that as y is equal to k divided by x. Right, using the information given about both terms, we know that when x is 12, y is 2, so substituting in here, we're going to get that 2 is equal to k divided by 12. Now, in order to find k, we need to multiply both sides by 12. We're going to get that k is equal to 24. And then we go back to our formula, this one here, and rewrite our value of k in it. So we've got y is equal to 24 over x. And then we can do part B, finding y when x is 6. So when x is equal to 6, using our formula, y is 24 over x, which is 6. 24 divided by 6 gives me y is equal to 4. And then B, when y is equal to 48, going back to my formula, I can say that 48 is 24 over x. Now this one causes a little bit of confusion because x is in the denominator, but if you multiply both sides by x, you get 48x is equal to 24, and then divide by 48, you're going to get that x is equal to 24 over 48. Notice all you need to do is swap the position of them. 24 over 48 simplified is going to give me a value of x is equal to a half. So this has been a video to show you how to do inversely proportional variation with inversely proportional. I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.